Hey, throw your Cinco right past that first bush to the left by the little sticks there. Yeah, he rolled on it.
Dude, good call.
What's up, guys? So this was a few weeks back on Toledo Bend. Ken and I went out to see how pre-spawn or spawn stage was looking for some of the areas that Ken knows well, fishing this time of the year, and I've grew up fishing. So you'll see here we had some quick bites early in the morning, and everything was relating to a point within these creek farm areas, point on cypress trees, or just a point that comes out next to a drain like right here. And then we tried to run this pattern, and we picked up a couple more bites and a couple more lost fish running the same pattern, but really wasn't setting up how Ken and I like to fish, or I like to approach the spawn. We like to see him closer to the structure, closer to the trees and bushes. And a lot of the bites are coming on the outside edges of everything. And we changed areas, and the sun got up and fog burned off, and picked up a couple more bites using the limit stick, which is probably Ken's most dangerous weapon in his hand. And we started noticing a lot of shad, a lot of threadfin shad up shallow dying off. And we picked up rigged up a 3.5-inch swim bait made by Ken, Natural Forage Baits, and it really turned on. Just happened to be all little bucks, but we had a good time catching them.
It's